Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel VBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can create a very simple data entry form. Okay, in VBA. All right, and after creating the data entry form, we will integrate that form with the SQL Server so that whatever the details users are entering in that form, those details should get uploaded on the SQL Server. So might be this video will be a bit longer. All right, so here I have taken without wasting time, so I would like to show you quickly. Okay, the example here I have created the one dummy form. Okay, and the same form we will be creating. Okay, so if I will click on this run button, okay, here I have got one data entry form. Our data entry form is looking like this. The same data entry form we will be creating from the sketch. Okay, in this video, if here I have asked some details from the user need to enter the employee ID, employee name, location, pin code, phone number, age. All right, so here if I am entering any details, for example, I'm entering before that, before entering the details, I would like to show you where these details will get show or will get upload. So I have created the table in my SQL Server. Okay, in SQL Server, what table I have created? The table I have created by the name of school table. Okay, if I will select it, if I will execute, so here I have one record. Okay, in this table, okay, 101, the employee ID is 101. If I will enter the other details, for example, the employee ID is 102. Okay, employee name is Vikash, and location would be Mumbai, and pin code any pin code, phone number I am entering anything. I have not put so many restriction. Okay, that we will be doing in later on. All right, age is like 23. If I will click on the upload data, okay, if I will click on the upload data, you guys can see the data uploaded successfully. All the text boxes has got empty. So if I will close it, and if I will check my data, if really my data got uploaded or not, if I will again execute this query by pressing F5, you guys can see this is what which we have entered in that form, and that data is reflecting in the SQL Server. These are the things which we need to do, okay, in this video, and I will show you step by step how we can achieve this task. All right, so let's start to do. Okay, so if I am pressing alt F11, so I will be redirecting to the VBA editor. So already I have created one form. This form I have already created. So one form more I need to create. I am pressing alt IU, okay, to in order to create the empty user form. Okay, here I would decorate it. So it is something which is completely up to you. Here I am renaming the user form name data entry form. Okay, and after that I would like to change the back color. Back color would be green. Okay, and the title I would like to give, title would be like, title is something up to you and as per your requirement. I am taking the dummy AV public school. Okay, this is what which I have created, public school. I think I misspelled. Okay, public school. Okay, and I will go in the font and will change the font size. Okay, bold, and it would be Comic Sun I am taking. Comic Sun I am taking. Okay, okay, I would like to keep it in the center. Okay, so alignment is your alignment. You guys can change the alignment, because alignment we need to change in order to make it more attractive. Text alignment is here. I would select center. Okay, so I would like to change the background of it, little bit background. Okay, great. Okay, and okay, so here I am taking the one frame. Okay, the frame I have taken like this, and will remove the caption from the frame. Okay, so now, okay, here I am going to take one label label name. I am taking employee ID. Okay, and will change the font size, bold, 12, and it would be comics or okay. Okay, and I will copy and paste 6 times, 1, 2, and this is for the employee name. Okay, and this is for the location. Okay, and this is for the code, and this is for the phone number, and last one is for age. Okay, I will rename it quickly. It is my employee name. Okay, next is location, and fourth one is code. A pin code you guys can write, pin code, and fifth one is phone number, and employer, and last one is age. Okay, and after that I would like to give the text wherein the user will enter the details, right? I'm taking this text and will create in front of respective labels. Okay, I will change the font size of it, so that again and again I would not need to change. I'm taking the bold and it would be the Comic Sun. I'm keeping all the text Comic Sun, and it would be 10, and okay. Okay, and I will copy this and paste an employee name against the employee name and location. Then after that, what I want, pin code, and after that what I want is mobile number. Okay, then I want age. This is what we have done. If I will execute how it is looking, it's looking better. Okay, and last one more frame I'm taking here in order to insert the command buttons, okay, where the user will execute the task. All right, and I am renaming it by the center command. Okay, center, or you guys can also leave it like this. I'm keeping it empty. Okay, so here what I'm going to take the command button. In the command button I'm going to insert it, and taking keeping the name upload data. Okay, in my last video I have told you that how you guys can change the mouse icon, how you guys can put the control tip text. So those things also we will be doing in this video. Okay, in order to make our form attractive. All right, and I'm changing the font size and keeping it bold and 14, and okay, and the background I will also change. The background would be this one. Okay, and font size I would decrease bit, because it would be 11. Okay, it is 11. It's now looking good, and I'm copying. Okay, I also need to change the mouse icon as well, because if I will execute, you guys can see the mouse icon is like a normal. Okay, I just need to also make it change. So I'm clicking on the upload data, and will go bit down. Okay, in against the mouse icon I need to click here, and will write here C. Okay, window, and forward. Okay, forward slicer, and after that C window dot cursor, and enter. It would be Windows. Okay, C Windows dot cursor. Okay, so it the name would be C window dot cursor. Why this is not happening? Why C colon window dot cursor. Okay, yes. Okay, see, that path I have already given. You guys can take it from there, by because it is not possible to remembering it all the time. Okay, So you guys can note it down somewhere. Okay, I have already shared you the all the notes. Okay, you guys you guys can watch that video which I have uploaded. So here I'm taking this mouse icon. Okay, and clicking on open. And okay, in the mouse pointer I need to select here 99. Okay, which is the mouse pointer custom. That is what we need to do. Okay, after that I also need to put the control tip text. Okay, control tip text is here. Okay, you need to switch into the categorized. Okay, in the control tip text you need to enter whatever you want to show. I'm writing upload data on SQL Server. Okay, on sorry, on SQL Server. Okay, and the same I'm copying and pasting here. Okay, for the resetting to all the text boxes. Okay, and we'll change the background of it. Background would be red. I'm taking, and it would be reset all. Okay, now if I will execute this form, so yes, it is looking very much better. Okay, you guys can see. But okay, now we have created the form. Next, what we need to do is we need to integrate it with the SQL Server. The table which I have created here, okay, that will remain same. Okay, even I will provide you this query as well in the description box. You guys can create. Okay, I have taken this database. In this database, I have created this table, a school table. Okay, and if I will, execute. So here I have a two details. I am going to delete all the details. Delete from the school table. Okay, now I don't have any details here. Okay, it is completely empty. Now what we need to do is, okay, now how many text boxes we have? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Okay, I need to rename it as well. Reset. Okay, if I will double click on it, okay, I am here I would be writing the some code, okay, to reset all the text boxes. So here I am going to write me dot text box one dot value. This is blank, and we'll copy and paste five times more. Okay, now it is two because total six text boxes we have: two, three, four, five, and six. Okay, now same we have done. And the very important thing in this video, now the user will be user now the form we have created. Okay, the user will enter the details, but when the user will click on the upload data, the upload data will not work. Reason because we have not integrated it with the SQL Server so far. We need to integrate it, okay, with the SQL. Before integrating the this form with the SQL, okay, we need to understand some aspects here. Okay, here we would require one external library, okay, in the VBA, which would be the Microsoft ActiveX Data Objects 6.1 library. Okay, that is what we would be enabling in the VBA. Okay, so that we will be able to integrate our form with the SQL. So I'm pressing Alt F11. Okay, so I'm double clicking on this upload data. Okay, here I am going to write the code, but before writing the code I need to enable that external library which I have shown you earlier. Okay, you need to go in the tools. Okay, in the tools you need to go in the references. In the references you would be able to see the Microsoft ActiveX Data Objects 6.10 library. Okay, so that is what, okay, which I have already enabled. In your case might be you will not get it on the top. You need to scroll it bit down. Okay, you will be able to get it you know in this portion. uh, Here you would be able to get from the A. You just need to press like Microsoft ActiveX. Otherwise you will search it manually, so you will be able to get it easily. Okay, this is not a big task. Okay, as soon as that you have enabled it, you need to write a very small code, okay, in order to integrate our SQL Server or integrate our this form with the SQL Server, right? I'm going to write the dim CNN as new AudioDB connection. Okay, and after that, record for the record set I am writing RST as a record set, as a new record set, as a new record set. Okay, and I would be writing my string in the str as a variant. Okay, variant simple. I have already set the dim cnn as a new because I have used here new. Okay, so I don't need to again set it. So here now I am going to directly write str provider, okay, equal to SQL OLEDB 1.0, because this is the strings which will help you to connect your form with the SQL server. This is the very important line. Okay, even I will provide you this workbook as well in my description box. From there you guys can download and you can use it. Okay, and after that integrated security, okay, SSPI data source. In the data source, what you need to mention? You need to give the server name. Okay, you need to go back to your SQL server. You need to click right click and connect. Whatever this is your server name, you need to copy it and go back to the VBA editor and paste it here like this. And after that, you need to write initial catalog. Now you will ask, what does it mean, initial catalog? Initial catalog, it is means that you need to provide the database name. Okay, in which data you want to, in which database you want to upload this data. Okay, because in the database you have created the one table by the name of school table. Okay, that table you have created. Okay, under which database, that database name you need to provide here. Okay, you need to go back to the SQL server and write. Okay, you need to copy your database name. For example, this is the database, okay, under which I have created this table. Okay, you need to go back to the VB editor and paste it. Okay, simple. And after that you need to open this string cnn dot open str. Okay, and after that you need to set your record set rst dot open. What table name? Source. Here in the source you need to provide the table name. What is the table name in which you want to you want to upload these details? So the table name is a school table, right? I'm copying it and pasting it like pasting it here. And after that I need to provide the connection. What is the connection? Connection is our cnn. Okay, and ad open dynamic and ad lock optimistic. Okay, this is what you need to write while inserting the data into the table. Okay, so now we are going to insert the data. Here I need to write rst dot add new. Okay, and I would be writing like this rst dot field 0, because in the SQL what happen, your column starts from indexing 0. Okay, the index the index number starts from the 0 in the SQL server. So 0 it means your number column 1. Okay, 1 it means the column number 2, like this. Okay, here you need to write here. Okay, in the column, in the first column you want to upload the data. Okay, whatever the data, I mean, in the column 1. Okay, I mean in the SQL, whatever the table you have created, I have created the school table. In the school table, okay, I have a six column, right? In the sixth column, in my first column, okay, in first column, what details I need to provide? I need to provide the employee ID. Okay, the same I have created in the VBA form. Okay, if you will look, this is the text box. Okay, whatever the user will enter, okay, in this text box data should get uploaded, okay, in the column 1 of SQL server. So here I am going to write me dot text one dot value. Okay, same you need to copy it and paste it 5 times more. You need to change the indexing 1 2 3 4 and 5, and change the text box name as well, 2 3 4 5 6, and rst dot update. Okay, after updating the details, I want all the text box should get reset or clear. And in the end I want the one message box. Okay, data uploaded successfully. Okay, okay, now what I want is, I want to just, I'm going to create one button here. Okay, this would be new. Sorry, upload data on SQL. Okay, I need to assign macro and create the new one. In the new you need to write like this, user from 2 dot show false. Okay, Now we have created the form, or we have written all the coding we have done here, right? This is what we have done. Sorry, this is what we have done, right? But this code I will provide you. Even I will provide this workbook in the description box. You guys can download from there. Okay. If I will as of now I don't have any record, okay, in this workbook. Okay, this is completely empty. Now I'm going to insert the data, okay, in my new form which I have created right? If I will click on this button, okay, I will get this form here. Okay, through this form I want to enter some details of employees, and those details should get uploaded on the SQL server. That was our object, okay, and that is what we have done so far. If I am going to write here employee ID 101 102 102, but we are not able to see the employee ID. What is the reason? Okay, 101. Okay, I think there was some, you know, the typing glitch. Okay, employee ID we have entered. The employee name I am writing Akash. Location is Delhi. Okay, location is Delhi, and pin code would be anything, and phone number I'm taking anything. But if you want to put the restriction on the phone number, okay, in such a task I would be telling you later on. Okay, age is like for example 22, and if I would click on the upload data, my data should get upload on the SQL server. So let's test it. I'm going to click on it, upload data. I'm getting the mistype mismatch. Why? In the Delhi, okay, in the Delhi 123, just a wait, 12101. Okay, the reason is here I think we have created two text boxes, you guys can see, and this is the text box 2, okay, 101, and this is our one more, it is 7. We need to remove it, and we need to set it like this. Text box 6 will come here, 5 will come here, 4 will come here, okay, 3 will come here, and 2 will come here. We need to reset it, because this is what where the user actually makes so many mistakes. You guys can see. Okay, I have made this mistake. So this mistake actually happen when you are creating the form. In that form you are using so many labels, text boxes. So sometimes what happen now, when you are trying to copying and pasting, the one text box, command button, sometimes it happens, sometimes it creates two times, okay, which you really don't care at that point of a time. While executing you will come to know, yes, that is what also we have done. So after that you need to recorrect it and rework, and after that you are correcting, and again you are testing it, right? Now, anyways, now we have done. Let's check text box 1. This is the text box 1, text box 2, text box 3, text box 4, text box 5, and text box 6. Now we are good to go. If I will click on the upload data on SQL, I'm writing 101, employee name is Akash, location is Delhi, code is 10123. Okay, phone number I'm taking random phone number, age is 22, and I'm clicking on upload data. The data uploaded successfully, you guys can see. If I will check really our data, if my data got uploaded or not, I will test it like this. F5. Yes, this is the details which I have entered, right? Which I have entered earlier. Again I am entering the second details, 102. Okay, Vikash, and location is Mumbai, pin code is 90, and phone number is anything I'm taking here, age is 34. If I'm clicking on upload data, yes, data uploaded successfully. If I will check again, really my data is being reflected or not, F5. Yes, so this form is working quite good. Okay, it is working very well. Okay, and let me show you as well. This is the form which we have created, right? And this form will help you a lot. Okay, and after that, if you want to put more restriction, okay, on it, so you guys can do it. Okay, if you already know the some VBA coding, you guys can do it. Okay, So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you guys have learned something new. Okay, thank you very much.